Hello, everyone. Welcome to another learning session of Easy Tax Practice. And in today's session, we are going to talk about task management, how you can manage your task by using Easy Tax Practice management software. Now, on my left-hand side on the screen, you can see there are a number of options is listed. So I'm going to click on task. And the moment I click on task, you can see there are a number of other sub options shows that assigned to me. That means the task which is assigned to me directly, which I need to complete or work on. A reported might be the task that I'm going to, or I have assigned to others, and all tasks. Now I can click on all tasks and it will show up all the tasks that I have in my list. Now I have the option to download my entire task list. Like at the end of the day, if I want to keep a hard copy of the task list, yes, I can do that by clicking on this export button. The moment I clicked on that, you can see my task list get downloaded. Now I can open up this task list, and it will show me the entire task details, like in mentioned in various columns. Now this is something which I, as a user, can take a printout of the task list that is currently in my desk. So you can see that I can see the entire task details for which company this task is due and which day the task is due. So I can see the entire details, right? This is one option. Now I can get back to task. Supposedly, there are a couple of tasks or all the tasks where I need to mark some changes, like I want to reassign few tasks to other team members. Yes, I can choose those tasks and I can select whom to assign the task. I can choose the team member and I can assign the task. Or else, supposedly, for all or for few tasks, if I want to change the status of the task that I have completed those tasks, so I want to mark those changes, yes, I can do that, right? So that is how I can, with a click of a button, I can update the status of multiple tasks in one go, correct? Secondly, to locate a particular task or to find out an historical task, yes, I have the filter option where I can filter out the task the way I want it to be, right? I can see the task which has been reported by someone or assigned to someone. I can choose the due date when the task was due, and I can go back or and see which is the task which is due for someone, and I can trace out the task, right? That is already there. Secondly, I can always get into the task, and I can also show you something very important. Say for example, now I am doing this task, and to do this task, say for example, I have taken 22 minutes that I have already taken. Now today when I'm working on this task, let's say I put in another 12 minutes. So if I put in another 12 minutes and I click on submit, you can see automatically it becomes 34 minutes. That means I cannot change that past 22 minutes that I've already mentioned. So when I'm taking up a task for today, whatever time I'm going to devote on this task, I can put that here and I can complete the task within that time, or I can work on a particular portion of the task within that time. Next time when I come back, I'll start from there only. Even the timer starts from there itself. So it is actually giving the user a complete freedom to notify the exact time that he or she has spent to complete a specific task, right?